Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2016 Jeep Cherokee Altitude 4-wheel drive. Stock number E2365A. 59,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report, bright white in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Trailering package. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, as you can see. This Altitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, touch screen for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, compass display, dual zone automatic temperature control with heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Select terrain 4-wheel drive system, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability and lots of storage space in the armrest. Additional storage under the front passenger seat and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 3.2 liter V6, 271 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about the Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.